In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a fresh start in YNAB. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the very top left and click on your plan's current name. And then over here, you want to go to where it says make a fresh start here in the middle. And you simply want to click on that. And mind you, this is basically going to archive your current plan and you'll still be able to access it. And it's going to create a fresh copy of this one without the transaction. So as you can see here, it's going to tell you what you will see in your fresh start. You have to give it a name. I'm just going to name it fresh plan over here, and then at the bottom it's going to say, of course, stop importing transactions in my archived plan. You could go ahead and check this or not, that's completely up to you. And then here it's going to tell you exactly what's going to happen. If you're okay with that and if you want to do a fresh start, click on continue. It's going to take a few seconds, and there we go. It's going to refresh, and I'm currently at 0. I've done a fresh start. However, my accounts have stayed over here, and the categories are exactly like they've been before. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.